Visions, a new paradigm for the law of assumption.
I'm Angela Theresa Egic, your spiritual Renaissance woman. What exactly is visions?
It's an intimate, in-person experience in New York City only. This is the law of assumption as taught by Neville Goddard, where you are the operant power. And from that truth, I have created something new. I call it the 12 steps of law of assumption. It's a new paradigm designed to empower you, rebuild confidence, and help you step fully into the life you know is possible for you. As we move into 2026, it's time to stop surviving. It's time to stop struggling, right? It's time to start thriving. This experience is for you. Whether you're healing from addiction, rebuilding your life, or simply know that there is more for you than what you're living now. While I lovingly aim this toward women 50 and above, everyone is welcome. There are 16 total spots, and once they're gone, they're gone. Okay? So get in here. Why listen to me? Good question. Because I rebuilt my own life using these principles. From homelessness to restructuring to thriving. This isn't theory. This is lived transformation. And now I teach it. Your investment is $333. So I'm going to ask you this. Is a new life, a thriving life, a prospering life worth $333? If you have dreams, goals, or a quiet knowing that your life is meant for more, this is for you. Yes. You'll also have the opportunity to continue with my full schooling, walking through all 12 steps once per week. And yes, there's some joy in this too. If you join the in-person Visions Workshop, you'll receive free swag, including a beautiful designed 12-month calendar with one law of assumption step for each month of the year. Visions is an intimate, in-person NYC experience. It's limited to 8 participants per session. If more than 8 people register, a second session will be added on December 30th. So be sure to get in there if you want this opportunity. I know you'll love it. Participants who sign up the first date will be in the December 28th session, with overflow invited to the December 30th session. 12 steps, one power, yours. Let's make 2026 the year you finally choose yourself. I hope you enjoy using this work, living it, and prospering with it. It feels really good. I love it.
Music is provided by Video Leap. It's royalty free. Now be sure to sign up if you want to get in. Spaces are limited. PayPal link is in the description. And be sure to subscribe. It's totally free. Look forward to seeing you. Important notice. If weather is not permitting on December 28th, the in-person may be moved to December 30th and a future date for the overflow. So please, if you sign up, you will be informed immediately. Thank you. Love, light, and laughter.